I found this old wooden tea box at my mother-in-law's house. Its dimensions are 14x7x7 centimeters and it fits perfect for my mini power supply project. You also need some type of DC power supply 12 to 30 volt. I reused an old laptop power supply 24 volts and about 2 amps current output. I bought this ammeter 100 volt and 10 amps max output for $650 on eBay. This project is based on the LM2596 adjustable voltage circuit. You also need a 10K potentiometer to replace the pot in the LM2596 circuit. The special illumination device, I will explain it in details later. Start by measuring and sizing up your exterior layout. Make sure to cut out the hole for the ammeter a bit tighter than the pencil drawed outline. On the underbelly I will put an air vent hole with 2 vented covering plates. I also sized up 4 screws to use as feet to prevent the air hole to be blocked. I decided to cut off 4 pieces of an old radio antenna tube to cover the screws threads. Here you can see the 4 legs prepared. Here are my finished front cutouts. The small round hole on the top left will serve as an indicator lamp for the light switch. I took a piece of clear thick plastic, rounded it up to fit the hole. Here you can see the air vent with its cover plates. Since my front panel is completely empty, it's the perfect place to put the output. Terminals. The terminal connectors I salvaged from an old burnt breadboard. The making of the special illumination device. This is completely optional and are not needed for the supply to work. You can skip to 322 if you want. Basically all it does is illuminate the interior cavity and shed some light through the bottom air vent and light switch indicator hole. The interior planning and cable connections with soldering. Size up your hardware to fit nicely inside the box. Make sure the LM2596 are seated in an ventilated spot. You can see the illumination lamp on the right side. It is placed with the jaws pointing up so you can change the battery easier. I used 2 brass washers for the inside connection to the output connectors. Solder them firmly to the wires. I used a mini torch to make it easier. Here is the layout of the LM2596 wire connections. This is a basic simple schematic. Note the LM2596 plus and minus connections. Now desolder the trim pot from the LM2596 board. Connect 2 cables to the second and third connection points. Now connect the cable from LM2596.2 to potentiometer pin 1. Note the position of the potentiometer. And then solder NR1 cable to potentiometer pin 2 marked as 1 in the picture. This is my final constellation of the interior components. Note the thin red and black wires connected to the input side. This is the final appearance. I added 4 brushed steel plates around the ammeter. Just for the good looks of it. I also printed out a sticker for the potentiometer and again just for taking it up a notch. Printed a nice sticker for the backside too. Wow! Danger! 24 volts, I almost crapped my pants. Hey, who cut the lights off? Now it gets spooky too. But now I see a light in the dark, there is still hope. Light seeps through the underbelly and hits the bench. A closer look of the plastic eye lens I crafted. Now illuminated. If you are interested in creating your own adjustable power supply, just follow the guide and you are home. Watch my sync benchmark test run with the power supply and other videos on my channel. Thanks for watching. Energy Seeker 2018.